Sorry, Mama. You stink today. You didn't take my shower. Oh, is she still angry? For me, yes. How about you guys? Are you still angry?
No, I'm not. It's good.
Okay. Hey guys, Khalid's here today. Since my mom is sick, I just want to clean the microwave, but since I have no idea how to clean the microwave, I decided to use Angry Mama. And the first instruction is remove Angry Mama's head. Remove Angry Mama's hair and head from body. So here's the hair. And there's holes right there. Take it out, and then the head also. There. And the second instruction is add 1/2 ounce white vinegar and water to fill lines on body. Probably what it means is this right here. The vinegar is right there, and the water is right here. So first is vinegar. This is the vinegar from the Philippines. Yeah. I can't see it. So since I had so much trouble finding trying to tell if it was right here for the vinegar, I cut off. So here's the vinegar right now. And next we're going for the water. We added the water already right there. And now so it says here to replace head and hair part. But since I took the head, let's go the head first. Looking at the face reminds me of my mom. Because like I say that it's because when I get in trouble, my mom's face is like this sometimes. And the hair looks like a chipmunk's mouth. The curve right here. So I have to get back. Hey, nice hair, no, I'm just kidding. Like, is that how it is? Like that. Back to normal. And then next is microwave for 3 minutes on mid-high. So since I have to put 3 minutes, I'm gonna put Angry Mama in the microwave and make her even more angry and make her even hot. 3 minutes. And let's watch. Dancing. I can't see her face. Are you still angry?
No, I'm not. It's good.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So since it's done heating up, the instruction also says allow to stand for 3 additional minutes. So it has to stay there for 3 minutes. Since we're waiting for the Anger Mama, I decided to wash meat from the stove. Let's get to it.
A few moments later.
I'm cleaning today because my mom is still sick.
Aww.
So once the house is clean,
A few moments later.
since it's now finished, Next instruction is remove angry mama by her arms, which explains cooler. Okay. Hi mama, you stink today, you need to take a shower. Oh, is she still angry? To me, yes. How about you guys? Oh yeah, she's still looking angry like my mom. Also, next instruction is use the remaining liquid on sponge quickly in the microwave. Okay. Oh yeah, you stink. So now that we're finished, if you guys have like any question like where we bought this, it's one of in my winter break videos. I'll put it in the link below of this video, and you can check it out. And if it works for you guys, please please subscribe, like, and click the bell for me. Thank you. Bye.